Well, see, that's what I'm saying. It doesn't make sense. I know, I understand that. Look, listen to what I'm gonna say. 'Cause I'm gonna say it again. They have a sheet, right? Okay. No, what I'm trying to say, they have a sheet. They have a sheet that says if I did take my COVID test that day, right? And why am I getting called in the next day if they knew on that sheet that I didn't take it that day? So, I mean, I got my details. I was supposed to show up for work. I did, and they tell me then. That's suspicious, no? No, I understand that they're busy and they can't be on top of everybody, but that's just, how are you going to trust their word over mine when we both have, I guess, evidence of both of us possibly messing up? And you can't be 100% sure if what I'm saying might be true. This is too soon. This is the next day. Like, something like this would take time. Well, you know what? I understand. Well, I disagree. I disagree. I'm not gonna want to work for someone that's gonna be taking sides, I guess. Okay, well then I don't have to. Okay, well this is the city and I can get another job. All right then. Oh my God, that's amazing. That's amazing. Wow, they love to work with you at work. Huh. That's how it works. This is the perfect symbolism for fucking city society. It's obviously in the way. It's obviously not. Everyone sees it, but no one wants to pick it up. No one wants to take that responsibility and just do the right thing. Look, dude, there's a grandma fucking coming over here right now, and no one's gonna move it. I'm gonna move it. It's all. It's all it takes. Ah, yes. Excuse me. Sorry. I didn't mean to bug you. I'm sorry. But, a quick question. Alright, if you found 3 googly eyes in a day, what would you do?
I would collect them for luck.
Fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck does this mean? I saw 3 googly eyes. And I only got one. Maybe. Maybe it was the same one the whole time. It was the same one the whole time.